Hello everybody, how are you? Today I am going to teach you passive voice of the past tense. I hope you have learned root letters as well as active voice of the past tense. Let us once repeat the active voice of the past tense so that changing the active voice into passive voice may be easily understood. Forms of active voice of the past tense. We start from third person. Then we read second person. And then after we revise first person. Here is the third person of active voice of past tense from the root letters Seen, Mim, Ha. Seen, Mim, Ha. Seen, Mim, Ha. Or Samaha. 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 This is active voice. Follow me. Forms of active voice of the past tense, third person. Masculine, singular, samaha. Masculine, singular, samaha. Feminine, singular, samahat. Masculine, singular, samaha. Feminine, singular, samahat. Samaha, he permitted. Samaha, he permitted. Samahat, she permitted. Samahat, she permitted. Dual, masculine, third person. Samaha, samaha, masculine, dual. Samaha, they two permitted. Samaha, they two permission. I have written two because there is a different form in Arabic for dual. Samaha, they two permission, masculine. And for feminine, samahata. Samahata, they two permitted. As for plural, samahu for masculine. Samahu for masculine. Samahu, they more than two permitted. I said more than two because there is a different form for dual. Samahu, they more than two permitted. Samahu for masculine. And samahna, 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 they more than two permitted for feminine. Samahna, they more than two permitted. Forms of active voice of the past tense, second person. See, masculine, singular. Samahta. Masculine, singular. Samahta, you permitted. Masculine, singular. Samahta, you permitted. Masculine, feminine, singular, samahti, you permitted. Samahta for masculine, samahti for feminine. And for dual, samahtuma. For dual, masculine and feminine, there is one form. Samahtuma for masculine, you two permitted. Samahtuma for feminine also, you two permitted. And for plural, there are two different forms. For masculine, samahtum. For masculine, samahtum. For masculine, samahtum. You more than two permitted. Samahtum, you more than two permitted for masculine. As for feminine, that is samahtunna. Samahtunna. Samahtunna for feminine. You more than 2 permitted. Samahtunna, you more than 2 permitted. Forms of active voice of the past tense first person. Masculine singular. Samahtu, and feminine singular, there is also samahtu. Dear student, there is only one form for masculine and feminine. In all, samahtu for masculine and feminine singular, I permitted. Samahtu, I permitted. Samahtu for feminine also, samahtu for masculine also. Samahtu, I permitted. And for dual, masculine and feminine, for the both, samahna, we too permitted. We too permitted. Samahna, samahna. Samahtu for singular, masculine and feminine, and samahna for dual, masculine and feminine. Then for plural, masculine and feminine, also there is one form. Samahna, you more than 2 permitted. Samahna, you more than 2 permitted. You have seen also that there is only one form for dual and plural in first person. Samahna, you more than, we more than 2 permitted. Samahna also, we more than 2 permitted. Samahna, we 2 permitted also. Likewise, samahna, we more than 2 permitted. So, there is only one form for dual and plural in first person. Note carefully, passive voice is made only of transitive verb. Passive voice is made only of transitive verb, and no passive voice will be made of intransitive verb. Passive voice is made only of transitive verb, and no passive voice will be made of intransitive verb. For example, haluma, 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 he became kind. Haluma, he became kind. Similarly, Jabuna, Jabuna, he became coward. Jabuna, he became coward. Likewise, Da'ufa, 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 he became weak. Da'ufa, he became weak. Thaqula, Thaqula, he became heavy. Thaqula, he became heavy. And Kabura, he became old. Kabura, he became old. So, no passive voice will be made of intransitive verb. Now, I am telling you the way to make passive voice from active voice of past tense triliteral. Triliteral means whose root letters are 3. Now, I am telling you the way to make passive voice from active voice of past tense triliteral. And I am also sure that you have known root letters in Arabic. Root letters in Arabic are the letters from which different forms of verb, adverb and adjectives are derived. Root letters in Arabic are, listen carefully, root letters in Arabic are the letters from which forms of verb, adverb and adjectives are derived. They are also called stem letters. They are also called stem letters like samaha. Samaha, he permitted. In it, all 3 letters, sin, mim Samaha. In it, all three letters are root letters, from which Samaha, they two permitted, Samahat, she permitted, Samahu, they more than two permitted, and other forms are made. The easiest way to change active voice of triliteral past tense, the easiest way, listen carefully, the easiest way to change active voice of triliteral past tense into passive voice is change the vowel signs of first letter. Change the vowel sign of first letter. In Samaha, first letter is Sin. So change the vowel sign of first letter from Fatha into Samaha. Dhamma. Samaha, Sin, Su. Second, from Fatha into Kasra. If there is no Kasra. If there is Kasra, then there is no need for change. And leave third letter vowel sign as it is. Change the vowel signs of first letter from Fatha into Dhamma. Second letter from Fatha into Kasra if there is not Kasra, and leave the third letter's vowel sign as it is. For example, Sin Mim Ha, Samaha, he permitted. Samaha, he permitted. Samaha, he permitted is changed into Sumiha. First is Sin, that has Dhamma, second is Mim, that has Kasra, and third there is no change. Samaha, he permitted is changed into Sumiha, he was permitted. Samaha, he permitted, Sumiha, he was permitted. Samaha, they two permitted. Samaha, they two permitted is changed into Sumiha, they two were permitted. Samaha, they two permitted is changed into Sumiha, they two were permitted. Look at the above example once again. You will find that the signs of dual, plural, feminine and masculine, for example, the and tuma, etc., did not have any change. It means they are not changed. Thus the change was made only into all root letters. Now put all forms of active voice and passive voice opposite to each other and read with me forms of active and passive past tense. Singular, dual and plural of third person. Active opposite to passive, masculine. Samaha is active. Somiha is passive. Samaha, he permitted. Sumiha, he was permitted. In dual, Samaha, they two permitted. Sumiha, they two were permitted. Samaha, they two permitted. Sumiha, they two were permitted. And in plural, Samahu, they more than two permitted. Samahu, dear student, note, always I am telling more than two. It means there is a separate form for dual as well as different form for plural. Samahu, they more than two permitted. Sumihu, they more than two were permitted. Singular, dual and plural of third person, active voice opposite to voice, passive voice, feminine. Singular. Samahat, she permitted. Samahat, she permitted. Sumihat, she was permitted. For dual, samahata, they too permitted. Samahata, they too permitted. Sumihata, they too were permitted. And for plural, samahna, they more than two permitted. Sumihna, they more than two were permitted. Samahna, they more than two permitted. Sumihna, they more than two were permitted. Singular, dual and plural of second person, active and passive vis-a-vis masculine. Samahta, you permitted. Samahta, you permitted. Sumihta, you were permitted. Samahtuma for dual. Samahtuma, you too permitted. Sumihtuma, you too were permitted. Samahtuma, you too permitted. Sumihtuma, you too were permitted. And for plural, samahtum, you more than two permitted. Samahtum, you more than two permitted. Sumihtum, you more than two were permitted. Singular, dual and plural of second person, active voice vis-a-vis passive voice. For feminine, singular. Samahti, feminine. Samahti, you permitted. Sumihti, you were permitted. Samahti, you permitted. Sumihti, you were permitted. Dual, samahtuma, you too permitted. And passive, sumihtuma, you too were permitted. And for plural, samahtunna, you more than two permitted. And sumihtunna, passive, you more than two were permitted. Singular, dual and plural of first person, active vis-a-vis passive. For masculine, I have also told that there is only one form for masculine and feminine in first person. So first person is samahtu, whether feminine or masculine. Samahtu, I permitted. Sumihtu, I was permitted. Samahtu, I permitted. Sumihtu, I was permitted. And for dual, samahna, we too permitted. Sumihna, passive, we too were permitted. Samahna, we too permitted for active, and for passive, samahna, we too were permitted. And for plural, samahna, we more than two permitted. Sumihna, we more than two were permitted. So there is only one form for dual and for plural in first person, as I have already told you. Now take another verb like fataha. Fataha, whose root letters are fa, ta, ha. Fataha, he opened, and changed its all forms from active into passive. Forms of passive voice of the past tense, third person. Masculine, futiha for singular. Masculine for singular, futiha, he was made open. And feminine, futihat, she was made open. And masculine dual, futiha, they too were made open. And for feminine, futihata, they too were made open. And for plural, masculine, futihu. For dual, masculine, futiha. For plural, masculine, futihu. Futihu, futihu, the more than two were made open. And for feminine, futihna. For feminine, plural, futihna, the more than two were made open. Forms of passive voice of the past tense second person. I have learned first person, now it is second person. For masculine singular, futihta. Masculine singular, futihta. And for feminine, futihti. Futihta, you were made open. Futihti, you were made open. Futihtuma for dual, and for dual, futihtuma. Futihtuma for feminine as well as for masculine. Futihtuma, you two were made open for feminine or for masculine. And for plural, futihtunna, you more than two were made open. Futihtunna, you more than two were made open. Forms of active voice of the past tense first person. I have already told that there is only one form for masculine as well as for feminine. So, for masculine and feminine singular, for first person is futihtu. Futihtu, I was made open. And for dual, also futihna, you two were made open. And for plural, futihna, you more than two were made open. I have also told that there is only one form for dual and for plural. Futihna for dual and futihna for plural. For plural. Futihna for dual, we two were made open. Futihna for plural, we more than two were made open. Let us once again repeat forms of passive voice of the past tense third person. For masculine, singular, futiha, he was made open. And for feminine, futihat, she was made open. For dual, futiha. For dual, futiha. For dual masculine, futiha, they two were made open. And for dual feminine, futihata, they two were made open. Futihata, they two were made open. And for plural, futihu. For plural masculine, futihu. Futihu, the more than two were made open. And for feminine, futihna. Futihna, they more than two were made open. Forms of passive voice of the past tense second person, masculine and feminine. For masculine singular, futihta, you were made open. Futihta, you were made open. And for feminine, futihti, futihti, you were made open. And for dual, futihtuma, there is only one form. I have already told. Futihtuma, for dual, you two were made open. Futihtuma, also for feminine, you two were made open. And for plural, masculine, futihtum, you more than two were made open. And for feminine, futihtunna, futihtunna, you more than two were made open. Forms of passive voice of the past tense first person. I have already told that there is only one form for masculine as well as for feminine. So, for masculine and feminine singular, for first person there is futihtu. Futihtu, I was made open. Futihtu, I was made open. Futihna, for dual, futihna, there is only one form. Futihna, we two were made open. And for plural, futihna, we more than two were made open. I have already told that there is only one form for dual and for plural in first person. So, futihna, you two were made open as well as Futihna, you more than two were made open. So dear students, you have learned in this class how to make passive voice from active voice in past tense, especially in trilateral verb. And we have done also exercise, and I hope that you have understood each and everything very clearly. Thank you very much. Thank you.